So I wanted to show you guys the idiot-proof way that somebody showed me how to wire a relay. So this is just a standard relay. It's a 40 amp. You can get the Bosch ones or any ones you want, but they all look like this, and you can get them with these little pigtails that push on here, which really helps wire them up and keep everything looking nice and clean. So if you take the relay and you put this tab on the table looking away from you, you'll have five wires that you're dealing with. So on the right hand side, you've got the white one, and on the left you've got the yellow. So the colors don't really mean anything, but what this does, when one side sees power and one side sees ground, the relay will trigger. So once you take away either power or ground, the relay will unlatch. And then this one here, this one on the bottom, this is whatever you want your input to be. So if you need to feed 12 volts to something, you would give this 12 volts. And this is called a normally closed setup. So without any power attached to this yellow or white wire, if you put 12 volts in on the black wire, you will get 12 volts out on the blue wire. The second you attach power and ground, you need both of them. So one could be wired into ground permanently, and then you could have this run into a switch, let's say, or like my aux beam panel. Once you give the relay power, it's going to go ahead and disconnect the circuit between the black and the blue, between the bottom and the middle, and it'll now feed it to the top wire. So you'll now get 12 volt output on the top wire. And you can do this any way you want. Like I said, if you want to feed ground into the bottom, it'll feed ground to the blue when it's normally closed. And when you apply power to it, you'll get whatever you've got on the bottom coming out of this wire.